Very good morning, and ladies and gentlemen, ni hao to all our Chinese friends who are joining us from all across China. Thank you very much. Now, on behalf of the Business Gateways, I would like to extend a warm welcome, especially to the distinguished panelists and speakers who have definitely taken some time off today. They are some of the most busiest people you would see around in Oman as we speak. And we really appreciate and we are grateful for all of you to have come on board. Special thanks to Ms. Jiang Nang from the Embassy of China, who has also graciously consented to come and join us and give her a few particular words from her side. Um, we initially had when we thought about this particular webinar, we were having some probably 4 to 5 speakers in mind. But considering the enthusiasm to all the invitations that we had extended, and for the gracious acceptance by all the speakers and dignitaries who have come on board, we simply decided to extend the webinar to the levels that we need to do. For the participants, a warm welcome to all the attendees who have joined us from China. We see a lot of people from Oman as well, and all over the world who have actually connected to this particular webinar. And thank you so much for allocating this time to be with us. And I always see some of the names are always common in most of the webinar sessions that we conduct from the JSRS community. Now, a quick word on the stage as Business Gateways. The stage is a platform that we use in order to support all the JSRS companies on board, especially from Oman and the international community, to gain a lot of insights into various opportunities, government regulations, and also from the international business model per se. And for Business Gateways, just a few words on Business Gateways. I'm leading Business Gateways, and we are a 10-year-old company. And I also have with me Mr. Hafid Al Mahrouki, who's also the Business Development Director here, who has joined us. And we actually manage the strategic projects here, IT projects, on behalf of the government of Oman. And we manage the joint supplier registration system. We are handling the national subsidy system of the government of Oman, which is meant for the subsidy for all the Omani citizens who are benefiting from that. We manage and we operate it on behalf of the government. We have also introduced the Invest in Oman platform, which was originally developed for ITRA, and it is now the FDI model for the country as what we have implemented it upon. So, as part of our how do I say, our contribution to Oman, we strongly believe as a company, our role is not just to do business, but also to facilitate and to showcase Oman to the international community in whatever small ways we can. I mean, we are not saying we are any authority. We are just a small IT organization, but at the same time with the clear indication that this is what we've been doing for the last 10 years. So that's about the Business Gateways as such. Now, coming into this particular webinar, how we have classified this particular webinar is to break this down into 3 things, because as you know, the topic is connecting China to Oman's procurement and investment potential. Having said that, it is for the international community as well. Now, this particular topic has got 2 major segments to it. One in terms of procurement, where it is to do with opportunities and the potentials that are available. And the second part of it is to do with investments. So we believe that both of them go hand in glove.
真的是非常感谢大家能来参加这个活动。然后现在由于这种疫情
platform, both national and international, we really want them to understand how, because Oman, particularly when we look at it, we feel that Oman has 2 major challenges. One is in terms of
不同形式的交流合作吧，能让大家更多的了解在阿曼进行投入。
to bring on board. So they don't conflict technically, they actually harmonize. But it's important to clear the air, and it is important to help everybody understand where the potentials are coming and what's the route to be taken in. So the session one would be more in terms of, we have something called the CEO session, where we would have speakers from Ms. Jian Nang and His Excellency Sheikh Hilal Al-Hasni, who's also here, and who would be also speaking. And of course, I think the gentleman from Oman Wangfang will also be on board in terms of, who's speaking on that particular part. And then we have with us we go into the procurement session. And in the procurement session, we would like to open it up to different things like PDO, Dalil. They would be explaining to us the various organizations and the opportunities that are there. And then we move on to the investment session, where we have OPAS and the Kazayan Economic City and all of them coming on board to explain, and even Oman Wangfang to explain what are the potentials that are there with us to work. And then finally, we will go into the panel discussion, and where the panel discussion, I've even though kept a common topic, I would love to have that as an open discussion to see how best we can gain this, because from people like y'all, for your experience, we don't get y'all every day. And so to grab and make the most of all of you who have come on board to join this particular platform, and to hear your insights and to understand a little more at a conversational perspective as that. So that's the long and short of it. And we really look forward to hearing all of you. So with this, I kind of would love to introduce and bring on board. Okay, so Ms. Jian Nang is from the embassy, and she would now be taking over. And ma'am, the floor is yours. You can take it forward from here.